Waykar Commercial Dehumidifier. This industrial commercial dehumidifier can remove up 296 pints 37 gallons water per day, suitable to use in large area, warehouse, grow-room, basement, garage, cellar, workshop, library, laboratory and small factory, etc. It will restart automatically when power becomes available. Number 4. Honeywell Dehumidifier. This powerful beast effectively removes moisture from the air to protect walls, curtains, furniture and appliances from excess household moisture. Ideal for basements, living rooms, cellars, and storage rooms. Honeywell dehumidifiers are top-rated by an independent Number 3. Hysure Electric Small Dehumidifier. When full, the dehumidifier will automatically shut off, and the LED light will turn on indicating the water tank needs draining. Simply empty the water tank and place it back into the dehumidifier. Ideal for rooms up to 1,200 cubic feet 150 square feet. Only works effectively above 15 degrees Celsius and 59 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 2. ALORAIR Smart Wi-Fi LGR Dehumidifier. Rugged polyethylene housing resists dents and scratches. We believe in quality and after-sales service. It is sure to last long and still keep its shape look. Ideal for carpet cleaning, basements, cellars, laundries, deflooding, offices, laboratories, tradesmen, garages. Number 1. TOSOT Dehumidifier Energy Star. Our dehumidifier can remove up to 50 pints of water every 24 hours. Same as 70 pint units under 2012 DOE standard. A lower humidity level allows your AC system to work more efficiently because it's easier to change the temperature of dry air compared to moist, superhumid air.